Save time and increase your efficiency with Straumann CARES digital solutions. Straumann CARES in-house workflow. With CARES digital restorations, your journey starts in the clinician's office. You'll receive a physical or digital impression model directly from your clinician. Scan physical models or copings in a few minutes using your CARES lab scanner. Once the scan is finished, transfer the files to CARES visual software to design your prosthetic restoration. The CARES M-Series wet and dry milling system will produce your restoration from a range of materials. After milling is complete, finalize your restorative components and check for quality. Ship the final Straumann CARES digital restoration back to the clinician's office so they can confidently restore the patient's smile.